Ciao amici! Welcome back to part 2 of Italian shopping verbs with From Zero to Italian Hero. If you're ready to master even more vocabulary for Black Friday, let's get started. First up, we have attendere, which means to wait for. For example, molti aspettano il Black Friday per acquistare dispositivi elettrici a prezzi ridotti. This means many people wait for Black Friday to buy electronics at reduced prices. Next is aggiungere, which means to add. A typical example: aggiungi il prodotto al carrello per vedere se lo sconto si applica automaticamente. This would translate to add the product to the cart to see if the discount applies automatically. Super helpful for online shopping. Accedere means to log in or to access. For example, per partecipare alle offerte lampo del Cyber Monday, devi accedere al sito esattamente a mezzanotte. To participate in Cyber Monday flash sales, you need to log in right at midnight. Time-sensitive deals require quick access. Scaricare is another tech-related verb, which means to download. For example, puoi scaricare l'app del negozio per ricevere notifiche sulle migliori offerte. That translates to you can download the store's app to get notifications on the best deals. Perfect for staying in the loop. And then we have spedire, which means to ship. For example, il negozio ha spedito il pacco il giorno dopo l'acquisto, which translates to the store shipped my package the day after the purchase. Fast shipping is the best. Rimborsare means to refund. An example would be: ho deciso di restituire il prodotto e il negozio mi ha rimborsato senza problemi, which would translate to I decided to return the product and the store refunded me without any issues. Always good to know your refund rights. Aggiudicarsi is a fun one, meaning to secure or to win. For example, mi sono aggiudicato l'ultimo pezzo disponibile in offerta speciale. This means I secured the last item available at a special discount. A great feeling, right? Then we have promuovere, which means to promote. Stores promote their deals in advance to attract shoppers. For example, molte aziende promuovono le loro offerte già una settimana prima del Black Friday. This means many companies promote their offers a week before Black Friday. Keep an eye out. Next, we have esaurire, which means to run out or to exhaust. For instance, molti articoli si esauriscono velocemente, quindi bisogna essere pronti, which translates to many items run out quickly, so you need to be ready. And finally, we have cercare, which means to search for. For example, sto cercando uno smartphone nuovo da comprare con lo sconto del Cyber Monday, which means I'm looking for a new smartphone to buy with the Cyber Monday discount. Cool! This wraps up our shopping verbs. I hope you're feeling prepared to conquer those Black Friday deals in Italian. Like and subscribe for more Italian lessons, and I hope to see you soon. Ciao and enjoy the shopping season!